Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify buy button and place it anywhere you want. Super quick and super easy. Before we start with anything, let's talk about what the Shopify buy button actually does. The buy button lets you sell a Shopify product from any website without sending people back to your main store. It generates a small piece of embed code that you can paste anywhere, like on a WordPress blog, Wix page, Google site, Squarespace, or even a landing page. Once it's added, customers can click Buy Now and go straight to checkout, skipping all the extra steps. It's perfect for people who wants to sell from blogs, portfolio site, promo pages, non-Shopify websites, or multiple external platforms at once. In this tutorial, I've created a new Shopify store and named it Test Store. First thing we need to make sure if the buy button sales channel is enabled in your Shopify store. Now let's head into settings. Go to apps and sales channels and check if the buy button is already listed here. Since it's not, let's go ahead and open the Shopify App Store. Look up the buy button. And click on the buy button channel. As you can see here, it's totally free and made by Shopify themselves. Let's click install. Once it's installed, as you can see here, it directed us back to the main Shopify page. And if you check the left sidebar, it also directed us to the Shopify Buy Button channel tab. So we can now create a buy button. It would also ask you to choose from product buy button or collection buy button, which is just the type of buy button you're going to create. For the product buy button, it will only show one product, and the collection buy button will show an entire collection. For this tutorial, let's go with a one product buy button. It would then ask which product would you like to use. I'll go ahead and use my porcelain plates for the tutorial. It has now directed us to the customization page. In this left sidebar, it would ask us to customize our buy button, and on the right side, it would also show us Shopify's live preview of our buy button. Okay, for the first part, let's choose which layout style we would like to use: the basic, the classic, or the full view. For full view, there we go. I'm going with the classic. And action when people click our buy button. Would it add the product to the cart, direct to checkout or buy now, or open product details, which is view product? We're going to use the direct to checkout or buy now for this tutorial. Then let's go ahead and open the button style. As you can see here, it also allows us to customize the measurement of our buy button, the cornice and the width by pixel, the color of our buy button, and the text of the font in the buy now, and the typography, which is the font size and font style. Since we're not going to change everything here. We're just going with the default. We can close that one and head on to layout. If you click the layout tab, it would also allow you to change the image size from small, medium, large, the alignment, left, center, right, the button text, which is the buttons, the buy now in our button, the colors of the product title and price, the typography, which is the font style and font size of the product title and product price. We're not going to change anything here as well, so we can go ahead and close that. Also, Shopify allows you to view the mobile version and the desktop version of our buy button. Now that you're happy with the design of your buy button, We can now go ahead and click the next, and Shopify will generate the embed code for us. A Wix page, Google site, Squarespace, basically anywhere that allows custom HTML, anything. So let's go ahead and do a demonstration for that. So for this tutorial, I've also created a test website in my Google site. And here we can embed our buy button code. We're going to use the embed code option, click paste, and click on next. As you can see here, it is now the preview of our buy button, the one that we created and customized on Shopify. Let's click insert now. And it will, wait, let me just resize the preview, and you can place it anywhere you want. Right, there we go. Place it anywhere you want. And let's go ahead and publish our test website on Google site. Now let's check a live preview of our published site. As you can see here, we have now inserted a buy button on our test website. If you click on the buy now, it should direct you straight to your Shopify checkout. But since I haven't set that up properly yet, yeah, this should direct you to our Shopify checkout. But yeah, for this example, I haven't set up our Shopify store properly yet. Okay, we can now click X on that. Okay, and remember, if you want to update the buy button's design of an existing buy button in Shopify, you'll need to create a new buy button. And once you created that, it will send you a new code, and you'll need to replace the old one on your site manually. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon for more tutorials and tips to help you make the most out of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.